welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio, and guess what? We are going to do a bit more bleach tie dyeing. This is because I've got a couple of tops that I want to do, long sleeve sweaters, and I did promise in another video ages ago, perhaps even when I did this one, that I would do more. So what you're going to need are lots and lots of elastic bands, any sort of squeezy bottle, or you can use a spray bottle. This one I've found gets more bleach coming out, so it's a little bit easier. And then I've got a plastic box that I'm going to use and grill that I put at the bottom, and then it just sort of, the bleach seeps out, so that is brilliant. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I've got. We got black sweater, a beige sweater. This one needs a little bit of a refresh. I also fancy jazzing it up a little bit, so we've got 4 to do today. So we're going to go outside this time because it's been snowing here and it's very pretty.
Actually, all the snow is beginning to melt.
So let's start with the black one first, and I'm going to go in with the scrunch. I like the scrunch one the best, so you never know, I might do more like that. So that's that one. Next up, beige one. Let's try and do something in the middle. Beige. I'm really open to seeing what kind of results can come from this. Lots of mad noises out here. I've done a lot of these videos now with tie dyeing and bleach dyeing, so perhaps check out some of the playlists that I've got there. The next one is the grey one. So literally just washing this bleach out on this one. I've pulled it out after only less than 10 minutes on the black jumper because it was taking really fast. Beige one, but look at it, the colours that have been pulled out. Well, this was the pale blue one. And as you can see, the bleach has gone crazy and I'm not finding many pale blue bits left. So ready to wash. Okay, so this was the first one that I did, the crop top. So you can see that's the front and that's the back. Really like this one, it works really well. I'll definitely be wearing it. Yeah, overall, you can see that it's kind of gone on either side at the front, but it's pretty strong at the back. So yeah, I'm happy with that. The sleeves have come out well too. Yeah, it's interesting where it takes as well. So that's that one. Really funky, I like that one. Taken a lot on the sleeves, if you remember, I sort of gathered the sleeves up. So yeah, it's come out really well on there. It's so random, isn't it? The way that, you know, you really can't control exactly what. So yeah, it's come out quite nice colour. This was the beige one to begin with. It's even taken around here on the back. So yeah. Okay, bear with me on this. Stick with me. This was the pale blue sweater. So it took really quickly. In certain little spots, a little bit of the blue. I'm not gonna lie, it will be something I wear. I do. hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to continue with my quest of bleaching clothes, even though I can't get into charity shops at the moment with it being locked down. But I will carry on as far as possible with some old clothes that I'm finding. So look after yourselves this week, take care, and I will see you very soon. Bye! Every week on a Monday and a Thursday.